Welcome to this moment of peace and serenity. Take a few deep cleansing breaths. Inhale through the nose, exhale through the mouth. Settle your body into a comfortable position with a straight spine. Close your eyes gently and bring your awareness to the sensation of breathing. Feel the cool air as you inhale and the warmth as you exhale. Relax each part of your body from head to toe as you breathe, releasing any tension, any distractions, and come fully into this present moment. Return to your natural breathing, in and out through the nose, and relax your abdomen, allowing the breath to be in the background. Now, visualize you are standing in a beautiful, peaceful place. It could be a garden, a quiet forest, or any place where you feel safe, calm, and connected. In front of you, there stands a great waterfall of pure white light. As you move forward and go under it, any energies and feelings that do not belong to you, any beliefs and relationships that no longer serve you, are being washed away, purified, recharging you with divine light, worthiness, compassion, joy, peace, strength, courage, truth, guidance, and inspiration. As you move through the waterfall and continue on, picture the colors around you. The vibrant greens of the trees, the soft blue sky above, and the golden light of the warm sun filtering through the leaves. Feel the earth beneath you, steady and supportive. This is your sanctuary, your piece of heaven on earth. As you stand here, begin to notice how your body feels. Relaxed, safe, supported, at ease. With each breath, you feel more grounded, more centered, as if you're becoming one with the earth itself. In this space, there's no need to hurry. There's no need to seek anything, but simply be. Now, gently bring your attention to the present moment. Notice the sensations around you, the breeze on your skin, the sound of the birds singing, the fragrance of the blossoms in the air. Let these simple, natural details fill you with a deep sense of gratitude. In this moment, everything is just as it should be. No need to change anything, no need to do anything. Heaven exists right here, right now, as it is. As you continue to breathe deeply and mindfully, feel a sense of peace begin to grow within you. This peace is not something you need to search for outside of yourself. It is already within you. With each inhale, you draw in tranquility. With each exhale, you release any tightness, any stress. Let the peace you feel expand, filling your entire body, radiating outward. Imagine this peace and love extending from you to everyone around you, to every being. Feel your heart opening with kindness and compassion, your thoughts becoming filled with understanding and patience. Picture these qualities spreading across the world, touching each person, every animal, every tree, every part of the earth. In this moment, you are creating heaven on earth, not through effort, but simply by being present, by being mindful and compassionate. Continue to send love, peace, and bliss to yourself and every being, near and far. Inhale, feel it within yourself. Exhale, sending it out to the world. Take a few more moments here in this sacred space, breathing deeply, feeling the sense of connection to everything around you. When you're ready, slowly bring your awareness back to the room. Connect with your breath again. Gently open your eyes. Carrying this peace, this sense of heaven, calm and love you've created back with you. Remember, heart is where heaven is. Surround yourself with good people who practice integrity, kindness, and compassion, creating a supportive community that values openness and truth. We have the ability to create heaven for ourselves and those around us, in the good times and the bad times. It is an honor to be your guide today. Namaste.